Hi, and welcome to this short guide on when to use the Finalise option when completing an EPaCCS form in the GMCR. The Finalised button should be used once a patient has died and their death information has been recorded. This will end the form and remove the patient from the EPaCCS dashboard. Open the patient's EPaCCS form. Select the Edit button. Once the form is in edit mode, you can update the GSF section. By selecting the After Death Navy option. All mandatory fields marked with a red asterisk will need completing for the stage change. Once you have updated the GSF section, use the purple anchors to navigate to the After Death section. If you have the death information, please enter the following details: date and time of death, place of death, name of place of death. Has the death been referred to the coroner? Select Yes and add the required information. Record if a GSF audit has been completed. Also add who this has been discussed with. Use the purple anchor to return to the top of the screen. Then select the Save button. You can now select the Finalise button to end the form and remove the patient from the dashboard. The patient will be removed from the dashboard on the next refresh cycle. Thank you for watching and supporting better care across Greater Manchester. If you require help or support, please contact the GMCR product team.